students, welcome all of you in this session. In this session I am going to explaining the poem A House and Home. I told you to write the new words and poem in your notebook. I hope you might have written in your notebook. Now I am explaining this poem. You have to write the question answers after finishing poem. Okay, let's start the poem. The name of our poem is A House and a Home. A house and a home. You will say that the both words are similar. Both words are same, but not. This is not same. Those words are not same. Those words are very different from each other. Okay. Those are in this poem we are going to see how they are different from each other. You can see that home is an abstract noun and house is a material noun. Material means which is made up of materials, and home means what? It is a name of any quality or state, you can say. So those words and contents are behind the words are very different. Okay, we have to learn those words and content hidden behind those words. Okay, now we'll start the poem. A house and a home. What is the house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard. Some window glass and perhaps a yard. Its eaves and chimneys and stucco and roof and lots of doors. Stucco means this is a plaster and eaves means this is the edges of the roof. Okay. Yard means it is explained here that what is house? House is made up of stones. House is made up of cement. House is made up of tiles and plasters and roofs, and there are so many windows. There are so many doors of window. Means it is a material noun. Okay, its meaning is related to material noun. It is made up of house is made up of so many things. It is like a building, and home is very different from this. So what is its bricks are there, stones are there, woods are there, hard woods are there, windows, so many doors are there, yard is there to our house, and eaves means the edges of the roof, and chimneys are there, and stucco means plaster, and roofs and lots of doors are there. It is a house. This is a definition of house. Okay, now you have understood what is the house, and now we will see what is home. Home is an abstract noun. It is related to the quality. It is related to the state of the person. Okay, this is abstract noun. Home is a very affectionate word. The poem is so meaningful, and it is very easy and simple to understand. Okay, now home is what? Home, in the home, it's lovely and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and father and mother. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. In our family there are sisters, there are brothers, mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, and you help to each other. You work for each other, unselfish acts. Okay, you work for each other, and you love for each other. You share your happiness, you share your sorrows with each other. Whenever you go from your school to home, you share with your mother so many things, so many sorrows and so many happiness, whatever happened in your school. Okay, this sharing is a home with your mother. This relationship between mother, father, brother, sister is a family. Okay, family is very loving. They love each other, they care for each other, and their work always shows that their love, and there is no selfishness. Okay, they are only work and work and work for only each other, and their work shows their love for each other. There is lots of sharing. This is called home. This is the hidden behind meaning home. home and house are very different terms, very different concepts. Okay, understood those. It's very beautiful poem. It's very easy and simple poem to learn.